Hello everyone, welcome to Foodzilla. In today's video, we will be watching how to make rich gourd gravy. Let us see the ingredients required for this recipe. Now let's peel the rich gourd and do not throw away the peel. It can be used to make a very delicious chutney. Let's watch it in another video. Meal prep is a very important step in ease of cooking. So let's get started with the meal prep by chopping all the vegetables and required portion ready. Here we go. Now once all the ingredients are ready, here we start. In a pan, we will add oil. Once the oil is hot, we will be adding some fennel seeds to it. Fennel seeds is also called as Saunf. Now the oil is hot, so I am adding in some fennel seeds. Once the fennel seeds splutter and changes color slightly, let us add the curry leaves. Now we will be adding in the onion to it. And saute it for a few minutes till it turns golden brown. Slightly changing the color. At this stage, let us add the chopped rich gourd to it and saute well. Now add in chopped tomatoes. Once tomatoes are added, we can start adding the spice powders to it. So I am adding in half a spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of mixed spice powder, that is we have made homemade Kuzhambu Milagai powder, that's a spice powder with the red chilies and coriander in equal proportion, along with that some jeera and pepper. Now add in the required salt to the curry and mix well. Whenever spices are added to the tomatoes and along with some salt, it gets cooked well and the spices blend in really well to all the vegetables that we have added. Once mixed well, let us put the lid on and cook it in medium flame for few minutes. No need to add any additional water as rich gourd has water content within it, so it will be oozing out some water, and even tomatoes add in to the water required. So let us mix well. If you are not using a non-stick pan, it's better you simmer it. And let's cook it for few more minutes. This Peerkangai Thokku will be ready once all the water gets evaporated and the curry will be ready, we can serve this thokku with rice as well as with rotis or chapatis. It will be really tasty and a healthy recipe. Add in the chopped coriander leaves to garnish. Mix well. Turn off the stove. If you like this recipe, please share it with your friends. Do comment on how you like the recipe. Subscribe to our channel to get more such interesting recipes. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new recipes. Thanks for watching.